everyone. So in our last lecture we discussed about the median for the individual series. So today we are going to start the median for the discrete series. I think now you are familiar about it. Okay, what is the discrete series? The series in which the class is given, specific class is given along with the frequency. So to find out the median for the discrete series, there are certain steps. So according to these steps, the first one is we have to arrange the data either in ascending or the descending order. Then the second step will be we have to find out the frequency. Okay. Third step will be we have to find out the cumulative frequency. Then we need to apply the formula for the median, that is the n plus 1 over 2 observation or the item. Now we are going to start with the help of one example. Like on one side we have the marks, on other side we have the frequency. Like marks we can take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and the frequency under those is 3, 4, 2, 5, 6. Now we have this data. So first step is arrange the data in ascending or the descending order. So look at the data, it is already in the order, already in the ascending order. Just you have to look one thing, that if the data is given in the horizontal form, always arrange the data in the vertical form to find out the other calculation, or it become easy to find out the other calculations. So first you have seen the data is already in the ascending order. Second, you have to find out the frequency. So frequency is 3 plus 4, 7, 9, 14 is 20. So we found the frequency, that is the 20. Now the third step will be you have to find out the cumulative frequency. As you people are now knows how to find out the cumulative frequency is 3, then 3 plus 4 it's 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 5 is 14, 14 plus 6 it is 20. Okay. Now the last step will be you have to apply the formula, that is the n plus 1 over 2th item or the observation. So how many item we have? Total 20. So is 20 plus 1 by 2 item, then 21 over 2, that is the 10.5 item. So we found 10.5. It's not our median. We have to find out where it lies. So we need to find out where it lies in the cumulative frequency. Just look at the cumulative frequency. 10.5 is greater than 9, but it is less than 20. So it lies in this group. It lies in this group. So you have to see the x in front of that. That will be our median. So 40 is our median. Okay. So is it clear that 40 is our median? We do not need to consider the frequency. We need to consider the class in front of that frequency. That is the median class or the median. Now the question is why we need to find out the cumulative frequency. It is just to see which is the greater value or which is the less than value. So this is the way to find out the median for the discrete series. Suppose our median lies in this class. If the median is not 10.5, instead of the 10.5 its value is 7.5 or 8, then it is lies in this class. So the median become 30 in that case. So now I think it is easy to find out the median for the discrete class. So guys, you followed the individual and the discrete series. Now we will proceed for the continuous series. So we are going to calculate the median for the continuous series. As you know, what is the continuous series? When the class intervals are given. Suppose we can take example like 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20. I'm going to take a small example. So we have the class intervals, then the frequency under that 6, 12, 19, 3. So here the important is the formula for the median. So you have to remember the formula L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency over f into class interval. So here L is the lower limit of median class. For your convenience, I am going to write it here. Lower limit of median class. N, as you know, it is the frequency. Okay. Then CF, it is the cumulative frequency of previous class. Cumulative frequency of previous class. Okay. Then F, this F, it is the frequency of median class. Frequency of median class. Okay. Then is the CI, you know, that is the class interval. Now there are the various steps. We will follow those steps and find out the median for the continuous series. Okay, now move to the step 1. Step 1 is we have to calculate the frequency. Frequency is 40. So first step is you have to calculate total frequency, that is 40. Step 2 is calculate cumulative frequency. So now we will move to calculate the cumulative frequency, as it is 6, then 18, then 37, then 40. So we have calculated the total frequency as well as the cumulative frequency. Now move to the step 3. Now you have to calculate n by 2. N by 2. We have n, that is 40. 40 by 2, that is 20. Now move to the step 4. Now you have to look that where this 20 lies in the cumulative frequency, means where the n by 2 lies. So as you looking in the frequency, it is more than 18 but it is less than 40. So it lies in this class. So this is our median class. This is our median class. Now you have to go for the formula. Formula again I am going to writing Lm plus ny2 minus cumulative frequency of the previous class divided by Fm into class interval. Now see, which is the lower limit of the median class? Now you are clear, but which is our median class? You have to find out lower limit of the median class. Okay, 10 is the lower limit of median class. Ny2 we already calculated, that is 20. Then cumulative frequency of the previous class, means if this is our median class, then this is our previous class. So we have to write down the cumulative frequency of the previous class. So 18 is the previous class. Okay, then divided by Fm, means frequency of the median class. This is the frequency column. So we have to find out the frequency of the median class, that is 19. So next is the class interval. Class interval is 5. Now do this calculation and find out your answer, like 10 plus 2y19 into 5, 10 plus 0.105 into 5, then next is 10 plus 0.523 is equal to 10.53. So 10.53 is the median age of the person. If we are considering these columns are of age, so 10.53 is the median age, or you can say this is our median. So this is the way to find out the median for the continuous series. So I am going to repeat it. This is the formula. You have to remember this formula because it is different than the discrete series as well as from the individual series. So the formula is Lm, that is the lower limit of the median class, Ny2, N is the frequency, Cf, that is the cumulative frequency of the previous class, and what is Fm, that is the frequency of the median class, and class intervals are, that is the distance between the groups. So first of all you have to calculate the total frequency, that we calculated, it is 40. Then the next step will be you have to calculate the cumulative frequency. Third step will be you have to calculate the Ny2, that we get 20. Now apply the formula and fill all the values and get your answer, that will be the median. So it is very easy to find out the median for the continuous series.